What's the meaning of Bow Street Runner? Bow Street Runner. Bow Street Runner.
Bow Street Runner. Bow Street Runner. The term Bow Street Runner refers to a member of London's first professional police force, founded in 1749 by the magistrate Henry Fielding. The Bow Street Runners were tasked with investigating crimes, apprehending suspects, and bringing them to court. Their methods and effectiveness varied, but they were instrumental in establishing a more organized and centralized approach to law enforcement. The term also became synonymous with any early police officer or detective in England. Today, it is often used to refer to any law enforcement officer in a historical context.